All right. Okay. So that's how we write it, but how do we read it? Read dates. We use Sino-Korean numbers to read dates in Korean. Okay. And I told you the order is the year first, month, and day, right? So today is 2021년 11월 6일. Okay. So 2021년 11월 6일. I mean, like, is that the only way you write dates in Korean? You could do like 2021 dot 11.6. I mean, this is um understood by everybody. Or you could do 2021 November 6th. You could do this way, but the right way to write um, the full date in Korean is to add those three letters that indicate the year, month, and date, which is 년, 월, 일. And when you read those dates out, you will have to say 2021년 11월 6일. Okay? So unlike English, when we have those names for all those months, we don't have that. We just go by the Sino-Korean numbers and add 월 to indicate the month. So we don't have those words like January, February, March, April, and so on. We just go by the number and add 월. So January is 1월, 2월 for February, 3월, 4월, 5월. Okay, there's a little red star thing beside 6월. Why? Because you know how number 6 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? But it's not, when you want to say June, it's not read as 6월. Okay? It's this is wrong. So instead of 6월, we read it as 6월. And that's just the exemption. Like you will have to like remember this. Okay, there's no rule as to why, but it's not read as 6월, it's 6월. Okay, so we take out the 받침, 기억 받침 from 6, right? And we say 6월 instead of 6월. Okay, July 7월, August 8월, September 9월, and another exception that you will have to remember. What's number 10 in Korean? It's 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? But we don't read it as 10월. That's wrong. Okay. We also take out the 받침 from 10 and we read it as 10월. 10월 instead of 10월. 11월 for November. So 11 is 11 and 월 is it means month, right? 12월. Okay, that's how you read month in Korean. So let's practice together. When is what's the date of Christmas Day? We all know it, right? December 25th. And how do you read it? 12월 25일. So